Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Evernote notes to PDF on Windows in just a few simple steps. Open the Evernote desktop app and click the Get Started button to access the main interface. The app loads, and you'll see your workspace with the sidebar on the left and the main content area in the center. Click Notes in the left sidebar to view your notes list, and your note content loads in the main window. You'll see the full text of your note displayed, ready to export. Click the More Actions button in the top right corner to open the menu. A drop-down appears with several options including Print, Share, Move to Trash, and Note Info. From the menu, click Print. The Print dialog opens. Click the Destination drop-down to see your output options. You'll see a list of available printers and file formats. Select Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. Click the Save button, and a File Save dialog opens where you can choose where to save your PDF and give it a file name. Your note is now exported as a PDF document. The PDF will preserve your note's text formatting, images, and attachments exactly as they appear in Evernote. If you need to export multiple notes at once, select them all in the Notes list before opening the More Actions menu. The Print option will combine them into a single PDF in the order you selected them. You can find your saved PDF in whichever folder you chose in the Save dialog, typically your Documents or Downloads folder. And that's how to convert Evernote notes to PDF on Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.